Hello，咁啊，翻到嚟呢段片嘅話咧，我哋咧就會講講呢個 Simple Future Tense 啦。不過講 Simple Future Tense 之前咧，想同大家去重溫翻一下，就係、前一段片啦，就係講咗呢個 Simple Past Tense 啦。咁記得 Simple Past Tense 咧係用嚟講一啲發生咗嘅動作或者事件。通常你要用個時間嘅一啲副詞啦，去標示翻出嚟，就係譬如啲 yesterday 啊、last week 啊、in 2020咧，係去標示翻個明確時間出嚟嘅。另外，亦都可以用過去式啦去做一啲假設啦，去講一啲虛構嘅事情嘅。咁啊，講完 simple past tense 之後啦，我就想講講呢個 simple future tense 啦。simple future tense 嘅話咧，即係未來式啦，簡單未來式啦，係會用嚟去表示一啲將會發生嘅事，或者你打算做嘅事。咁其實好簡單嘅呢款 tenses，你最主要係有個主語啦，即係有個 noun 啦，再加個 will 啦，再加個動詞就得㗎啦。咁個動詞咧係乜都唔使轉嘅。即係simple future tense 好就好在就係乜都唔使轉，即係唔會加 s 啊，唔會加 ed 啊，唔會加 ing 啊，乜都唔會加嘅。你有個 will 後邊咧，就乜都唔加就得噶啦。OK。咁啊有啲咩例子咧？譬如好似你話 I will study for the test tomorrow，我聽日會溫書噶啦。或者 She will visit her grandma，咁你見到係 she 啦，即係個 visit 都冇轉嘅，即係唔使加 s 嘅係啦。She will visit her grandma next week。因為 We will go shopping later。咁如果你話否定句話，你話唔會做一樣嘢啦，就話 They won't buy the car，即係唔會買嗰部車嘅，即係 they won't。咁啊 won't 咧 will not 啦，就全部都係一樣嘅，即係你唔會因為 he she 啦會變嘅咁樣。咁啊 will 咧係唔會變㗎，所有主語啦，即係所有嘅 subject 都一樣啦，個動詞後邊都係唔轉嘅咁樣。好啦，咁啊講完呢三款 tenses 啦，記得一樣嘢啦，就係如果你用否定句啊做問句一陣時咧，要用一啲叫做助動詞嘅東東啦。咁現在式嘅話會有 do 啊或者 does 啦。咁如果問句嘅話咧，可能會話 do you like 乜嘢啦，或者 does she want coffee 咁樣啦。過去式嘅話會有個 did 啦，即係你可能話 did you go to school yesterday 啦。如果呢個係一個做問句嘅情況，你有呢個助動詞喺度嘅。未來式嘅話就會用 will 啦。如果你做問句嘅話，就會話啊，Will she come tomorrow？即係佢聽日會唔會嚟㗎？咁如果你話現在式問問題咧，你都可以話 Do you want to play？Do you want to play the game with us？咁樣啦，即係你會用個 do 啦，助動詞啦，擺喺開頭咁樣。好啦，咁啊tenses 呢個短片咧就去到呢度噶啦。咁啊，如果大家想確保自己真係識得晒呢三款 tenses 嘅話咧，記得下載埋個練習啦，去做咗佢啦。咁同時亦都可以去睇翻嗰啲 notes 啦，同埋自己試下作文裏邊啦，試下用翻出嚟啦。咁啊，今日段片咧就去到呢度先。咁我哋下一段片再見，拜拜。